2010, I wanted to go on a natural hair journey. And so I cut off all my beautiful, long, straight, relaxed hair. The loctician that I found, she quoted me $1,800 to lock my hair. And that was just too much money. I was not ready to pay $1,800 to get my hair done. So I started researching the different kinds of locks and to see if I can, find a similar one or one that I can manage on my own. Hi everyone, my name is Anastasia and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new, come on in, make yourself at home. Here we talk about everything. Today is my off day. I'm not working today. And a friend of mine invited me to come over. She's making pho from scratch. So I'm very excited to go eat with her and, have some good girl on girl conversation. And I am getting ready. I'm doing my hair, which is very rare because I never do my hair. My hair is usually down or up in a ponytail. So this is the very rare occasion that I'm doing my hair. And I wanted to take the opportunity to share my hair journey to anybody that, maybe is thinking about what to do with their hair. Maybe will get inspired from watching this. So come on in and let's have a chat. I'm going to be talking and doing my hair, so lack of coordination, it might not be very smooth, but please bear with me. So growing up, everybody that I know, my friends, my family, everybody had relaxed hair, and relaxed hair was just how things were done back then. I'm using island oil. I'm just going to rub a little bit in my hand just to make taking down of the braid. So I braided my hair. I just sprayed water. I just use water, spray it, and then part it and braid it out. So I have it braided in no particular way or section, just random picking spots. I'm using my mirror so I can see what I'm doing. So oil in my hand and I'm taking them out. So everybody had relaxed hair and that's just the way things were. And in 2010, I wanted to go on a natural hair journey. And so I cut off all my beautiful, long, straight, relaxed hair and started on a natural hair journey in 2010. However, in 2010, I was too young and not educated enough in my own hair to be able to take care of it. I felt like my hair was too thick, too dense, and I didn't know how to manage it. So it felt cumbersome. It felt too much. It was a hustle, basically. And so I went back and permed my hair in 2012. So from 2010 to 2012, I was a struggling natural hair girl. 2012, I went back and permed my hair. So I had relaxed hair from 2012 to 2016 when I've had my first child and she was a girl. And I just felt like I didn't want to put chemicals in my hair anymore. And also, I didn't want to set that example for her. Because at that point in my life, 2016, I was already working as a registered nurse. I knew some of the harmful things that relaxers can do to us females, especially Black women. And so I didn't want to put my daughter or set that example for my daughter. So in 2016, I went back and cut off again all my hair and started a natural hair journey. But in 2016, I was more matured and I knew more about my hair. So it made the journey more enjoyable. I was able to grow my hair, flourish it, make it nice and work with it. So my hair grew very nicely in 2016 until 2020 when the pandemic hit. And I think I was just bored with my hair at that time in 2020 and wanted to do something with it, but I didn't know what to do. So, I was just kind of managing along, going along. And I went to an event, I think it was a wedding, and I saw this girl. She's actually one of our friends. She's a friend to the channel. So I saw her and she had this beautiful, beautiful hair, like nice and long, and it kind of looked like braids, but it was so small. And I went to her and I asked her like what hairstyle it was. And she said it was called sister locks. And I was like, I was very intrigued. So I came home and I was looking online to find a loctician that can lock my hair. And I finally found one here. But guys, in 2020, the loctician that I found, she quoted me $1,800 to lock my hair. And that was just too much money. I was not ready to pay $1,800 to get my hair done. So I started researching the different kinds of locks and to see if I can, find a similar one or one that I can manage on my own. So thanks to the University of YouTube, I was researching, if you want to call it research on YouTube, I was YouTubing and I discovered there's different kinds of locks. So there's the sister lock, there's micro locks, there's like the traditional locks, the free flow locks, freeform locks. And so I decided to settle on micro locks. So this is micro locks and it's permanent. You cannot just willy-nilly decide to take it off. If you want to comb it out, you might either have to cut your hair or spend hours and hours trying to comb it out. But when I discovered microlocks, I figured I would be able to manage it on my own. So I looked further into it, how to start it, how to get it going, how to take care of it. And I felt confident enough that I'll be able to do it. So I set a date on the calendar. I had a game plan going in. I knew it was going to take a couple of days. So, I planned everything out, set a date, and got started when the day came. It took me 3 days. It wasn't 3 consecutive days. It was, I would do a couple, maybe a section of my hair every few hours and then go do, mummy, wife, homemaker thing, and then come back and then do the rest. So it took me 3 days, but I was finally done. I finally had microlocks and I've been managing it since. So the first year after I self-installed my microlocks, I used a loctician for the first year. And then after that first year, I have been taking care of it since then. So it's going to be 5 years this year. It's going to be 5 years in December since I started my microlocks journey, and I've been maintaining it, retying it, and doing everything myself since 2021. And so this is my hair. This is where I am right now. I have been loving the journey. I have not regretted it since. It's been very liberating. I don't really do much to my hair. Like I said, I wake up and my hair is already done. I just take my bonnet off, shake it, I spray water, and that's it, and I'm on my way. I So for my wash day, I just use shampoo and a conditioner. Sometimes I don't even condition my hair, which is terrible, but sometimes I don't condition my hair. I just shampoo it and I let it air dry. I don't use heat on my hair. You can if you want to, but it's just too much work. I'm a lazy hair person, and that's the main reason why I decided to lock my hair. So the less manipulation I can do to my hair, the better. And here we are. And then I just use, this is the old toothbrush. I just use it to brush the front of my hair a little bit just to make it look nice. I don't use any gels or glues or anything. And so this is it. This is my hair. It's almost 5 years now since I locked it, and I have loved every minute of it. It's very freeing. So if you are deciding what to do with your hair, you don't know what to do, and you're bored like I was, maybe look into locking your hair. It's permanent. It's not braids. You cannot just take it off. When you have it in, you have it in, unless you want to shave your hair. If not, you keep it. And I plan on keeping it. I'm not taking it. It's the best hairstyle I've ever had. and I love every minute of it. So if you are, thinking about what to do with your hair, I would suggest looking into it. There's so many different kinds of locks. You have to find one that suits your personality and stick with it and enjoy the process. Sometimes it gets rocky in the beginning. Your hair goes through a lot of changes and it can get frustrating sometimes. But if you stick with it, the end is rewarding. There's reward at the end. So if you're thinking about it, leave a comment below. If you have any questions about my hair or locks in general, leave a comment down below and I will get answers to you. Please watch, subscribe, share this video, and thank you so much for watching as always, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.